Happy Independence Day.
की
Jai.
भारत माता की
Jai.
भारत माता की
Jai.
वंदे वंदे
Oh, this is fantastic. It's a great celebration. Love coming here every year at the consulate to celebrate Indian Independence Day. And of course, it's a very special year being the 80th this year. So congratulations, and I hope everyone has a really great celebration.
I'm Rear Admiral Rajinder Singh. And it's always a pleasure to be at CGI celebrating the Independence Day and as well as the Republic Day. Wishing all my Indian friends, all the Indian diaspora, the Indo-Canadians, a very happy Independence Day. This is a day we pay tribute and homage to our freedom fighters, and also a thought goes to our Jawans who are at the border safeguarding our freedom. I'm sure in the years to come, India will find a rightful place in the world order. Thank you and wishing again a very happy Independence Day.
There is nothing like that. It is 18th birthday we are celebrating for our Indian Air Force and Independence Day. I am from Air Force and I joined also Air Force in 1961 when I was 20 years old. No, I left the Air Force when I was target bar was on also. That time I left 97. So I joined everything. I have seen Air Force and I have seen what is the changes make within in this year. Lot of changes was there in India and lot of. I am thank you for that.
Experience of coming over here, and it's really appreciate. We appreciate every year. We remember our veterans. We remember our the people who give a life. Uh, Even the partition, they lost their loved ones. They lost their home. They lost their the properties. And I always say we should request, remember them always.
Experience is great, I would say, especially living in a beautiful country like Canada, where we are invited in the Consulate General to celebrate the 80th Independence Day of world's biggest democracy, our motherland, India. What to say? I'm with two stalwarts here, being interviewed by another stalwart. What else can I ask better for? Jai Hind.
Well, absolutely. Every year we meet on this Independence Day, and today, the 80th Independence Day of India. Not only I am myself proud, but look at around. The whole community is feeling joy, prosperous. The reason all the soldiers and people has done the sacrifice. This is the day we are not only celebrating, but remembering and praising what people has done to gain the independence of India. And thank you so much to DD also to spread the awareness, love, and prosperity among us. Myself, Don Patel from Humans for Harmony with Robert Barakat and Ashok Patel. Not only we are here representing our own community, but we are representing all India and trying to make sure that India-Canada bilateral relationship flourish. And based on that, everybody lives in a peace and harmony and betterment of Canada also. Thank you so much.
I would like to convey my warm greetings to all Indians across Canada, especially in Toronto and nearby places who came here to celebrate Independence Day with us. My warm greetings to everyone for this 80th Independence Day. I hope that the community prosper here and contribute to the Indo-Canada friendship. Thank you very much.
Thank you. My name is Aarti Anand, and this is my friend Natasha Manji. We are students and teachers in a school called MDO Kathak Toronto, and our teacher is Joanna D'Souza ji. It's a dance school that operates in downtown Toronto, and we've got all these aspiring dancers and students learning constantly and developing personal works and pieces. It's lovely. We are very privileged to be part of the school, and today was an amazing experience. I mean, this captive audience and this very, very engaged crowd is something very unique. We loved how responsive they were. We loved how motivating that they were. I mean, it was amazing to perform for them. We couldn't have asked for any better involvement from the audience than today. So,
you know, as an Indian in Canada, it is wonderful to be a part of this beautiful, beautiful event. Really lovely meeting all these people, and the energy is amazing. The patriotism is amazing, and it's just very nice to see all these people gathered here for the cause. And it's just wonderful. A lot of energy, a lot of good people, lot of Indianness here. So, Jai Hind. And it's very important to stay with the roots. It's for our coming generations and for all of us here as Indians. India is always our heart. And no matter wherever we go, we carry it with us. So, yeah.
Hello, my name is Shafali. I visited Toronto for the very first time. And attending this celebration, it's like, it is giving me goosebumps. Many a times I got tears in my eyes. Like, but such a wonderful celebration I'm experiencing for the first time, like in a foreign country. So, yeah, I'm feeling very honored. Thank you so much.
Bharat Mata Ki Jai! Bharat Mata Ki Jai! Vande Mataram! Vande Mataram! Vande Mataram!
Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
एज ए कॉन्सुल जनरल ये मेरा प्रथम स्वतंत्रता दिवस का फंक्शन है, और मैं सभी देशवासियों को और जो इंडियंस हैं और इंडियन कम्युनिटी है यहाँ पे, उन सबको हार्दिक बधाई देता हूँ, आत्मिक शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ इस अवसर पे। ये बड़ा खुशी का अवसर है कि हम आज 80th इंडिपेंडेंस डे मना रहे हैं। हमारे जो फ्रीडम फाइटर्स हैं, उन्होंने जो देश के लिए सेक्रीफाइस किया, आज का दिन उनको याद करने का है कि हमको एक स्वतंत्र भारत में रहने का अवसर मिला है उनकी बदौलत। तो हम उन सबको अपनी नमन करते हैं इस अवसर पर, और मैं सभी भारतवासी जो यहाँ पे हैं और जो इंडो कैनेडियंस हैं, उन सबको अपनी ओर से हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ। और स्पेशली ये कम्युनिटी यहाँ पे जो है हमारी, इन्होंने भारत और कनाडा के रिलेशनशिप में और उसको आगे ले जाने में बहुत योगदान दिया है, और मैं चाहूँगा कि यही योगदान आगे बना रहे। हमारी जो अभी जो संबंध है आपस में, वो एक काफ़ी मजबूत है और आगे अग्रसर हो रहे हैं, और इसमें इंडो कैनेडियन कम्युनिटी की बहुत बड़ी भूमिका है। और इस स्वतंत्रता दिवस के अवसर पर मैं इसलिए उन सबको धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूं और उन सबको अपनी ओर से हार्दिक बधाई देता हूं। हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे, स्वतंत्रता दिवस की सबको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं।
It's a great occasion. India is celebrating 80th Independence Day, and we here in Toronto are being invited by the Consulate General of India in Toronto office to celebrate this great occasion. As Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji has addressed to the Indian audience through Red Fort that this year is very special, and looking at next 20 years, he has dreamed of India becoming a Viksit Bharat in 2047. So we as Canadians, we want to contribute towards India's journey towards becoming a fully developed country. and let's wish the best.
So first of all, on behalf of Indo-Canada Chamber of Commerce, we wish everyone the best wishes for 80th Independence Day. It means a lot for us, and also since we are working in betterment of India-Canada relations, the renewed strength, the momentum. So today morning, we saw the pictures in the Indian consulate. It was houseful. Today, here as well in the evening. So I think this all shows great momentum. तो सबसे बड़ी चीज़ मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि जो पीपल टू पीपल टाइज है, मैं अपने हर आजकल इंटरव्यू में कह रहा हूँ, पीपल टू पीपल टाइज से हमारे बिजनेस टू बिजनेस रिलेशंस बढ़ते हैं. इंडिया कैनेडा रिलेशंस उसका एक जीता जागता एग्जाम्पल है. इस पीपल टू पीपल रिलेशंस ने, चाहे वो डाउनवर्ड्स भी गए रिलेशनशिप डिप्लोमेटिकली, एक मोमेंटम कंटिन्यूटी बनी रही हमारे रिलेशनशिप में. तो आप देखेंगे जो प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी और प्राइम मिनिस्टर कार्नी का एम्बिशन है हमारे ट्रेड को 50 बिलियन यूएस तक पहुंचाने के लिए, तो ये कम्युनिटी ही वर्क करेगी इसमें.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है जी. एक्चुअली इंसान का अस्तित्व दो चीज़ों पे डिपेंड करता है, जननी और जननी, दोनों उसके हाथ में नहीं है. हमारा सौभाग्य है हम
श्रीलंका
इंडिया हमारे अंदर हमने हाथ को छोड़ा. 4 लगने जब तक
take a picture on us.
तो मान या न मान
Let's have a quick picture with you. Maybe with this background. Yeah.
तेरे दुष्कर्मन से इंद ही हुआ बदनाम, मरने के बाद भी आके सुपुर्द होगी हिंद में ही तेरी जान, ये तेरी पहचान, ये तेरी पहचान. आप सभी
Wow, very proud. 80th independence anniversary. When I was born, I was still a subject of British. Now it is independent India. So I feel very proud, and we bring our culture, our values, and spreading the values all over the world. In Canada, a multicultural country, we brought our own values from there and helping, serving the country, serving the community with our values. Thank you very much. Keep doing the good work.
छोटे से बड़े इंडिया में ही हुए. सबसे ज़्यादा जो डिफरेंस दिख रहा है वो ये है कि हम तिरंगा लगा के आज घूम सकते हैं प्राउडली. वो जो चेंज लाए हैं मोदी जी, दैट आई थिंक इज़ अ वेरी बिग चेंज, एंड वी आर रियली प्राउड टू बी एबल टू flaunt the Indian tricolor everywhere that we go. So it's a really proud moment. It's a milestone 80th Independence Day here, and we are really happy to be part of these celebrations.
ਇਹ ਜੋ ਭਾਰਤੀ ਕੌਂਸਲੇਟ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਕੰਮ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ. ਜਿੰਨੇ ਵੀ ਇੱਥੇ ਲੋਕ ਅੱਜ ਪਹੁੰਚੇ ਨੇ ਭਾਰਤ ਦੀ ਆਜ਼ਾਦੀ ਦਿਨ ਦੇ ਤੇ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਮੁਬਾਰਕਾਂ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਆ. ਤੇ ਨਾਲ ਇਹ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਕਮਿਊਨਿਟੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬ੍ਰਿਜ ਬਣ ਗਿਆ ਜੀ.
ਬ੍ਰਿਜ ਬਣ ਗਿਆ
ਕਿ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਕੰਮ ਹੁੰਦਾ, ਕਿਤੇ ਵੀ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਜ਼ਰੂਰਤ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਕੌਂਸਲੇਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਕੰਮ ਹੋਵੇ ਰਾਈਟ ਅਵੇ ਹੈਲਪ ਰਾਈਟ ਅਵੇ. ਸੋ ਅਸੀਂ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰੀ ਫਿਰ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਅੱਜ ਭਾਰਤ ਦਾ ਆਜ਼ਾਦੀ ਦਿਨ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਅਸੀਂ ਮੁਬਾਰਕਾਂ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਆ. ਖੁਸ਼ ਰਹੋ, ਆਬਾਦ ਰਹੋ, ਜ਼ਿੰਦਾਬਾਦ.
તો સબને નમસ્કાર. 15 આપણે ઇન્ડિયા ઇન્ડિપેન્ડન્સ ડેની સૌને ખૂબ ખૂબ બધાઈ. જેમ તમે જોઈ રહ્યા છો કે ઇન્ડિયન કોન્સ્યુલેટ દર વર્ષે એક રિસેપ્શન રાખે છે. ઇટ્સ જસ્ટ ટુ મેક અ કમ્યુનિટી ટુગેધર. કમ્યુનિટી એક સાથે આવે, એકબીજાને ઓળખે, અને સાથે ને સાથે ઇન્ડિયાની પ્રગતિ કરીએ આપણે કેનેડા દેશમાં. તો એ માટે હું જોઈ રહ્યો છું કે કોન્સ્યુલેટ ઇઝ ડુઈંગ અમેઝિંગ જોબ.
बहुत अच्छे लग रहे सबको. नमस्कार, सत श्री अकाल और आदाब सबको. 80th Independence Day को बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. It's really exciting to be here today at the beautiful Pearson Convention Centre. I want to thank the Consul General of India for inviting so many wonderful people. We're all here to celebrate India's independence, but most of all we have to thank and honor all of those who fought for their freedom, especially those their families who made the ultimate sacrifice. But today is a celebration. We're all here together celebrating what happened in 1947 and a big momentum time. But again, let's remember those who really did make this happen. And I'm really looking forward to the festivities and the celebrations tonight.